When you join TED Translators, you'll work with a global community of volunteers to make extraordinary ideas accessible. Before you get started, let's cover how to create good subtitles. The best subtitles can be easily read by viewers. There's enough time to read the on-screen text and process what the speaker is saying. When you create subtitles, stick to these simple rules. Never use more than 2 lines per subtitle. In most languages, if a subtitle is longer than 42 characters, break it into 2 lines. Make sure each subtitle is on screen for at least 1 second. Never combine 2 incomplete sentences in one subtitle. Enclose sound information in parentheses. Represent on-screen text in square brackets. Next, here's what to expect as a new TED translator. After your application is accepted, you can select a talk to transcribe or translate. Start with a shorter talk so you can get quick feedback from an experienced volunteer. Speaking of experience, only volunteers with at least 5 subtitled talks can review other TED translators' work. This ensures new volunteers get the best advice. Finally, a language coordinator will check your reviewed subtitles and approve them for publication. You'll receive credit for your subtitles on TED.com.